Hello guys, today I've got Motorola Vervebuds 250 and I'm going to show you how to enable HD audio in your Android phone. At first you need to open your phone's settings. Here, now make sure that your earbuds are paired now with your phone. Once they are, you need to scroll down to the About Phone section, and here you need to go to the build number. Tap build number till you see you are now a developer. You may be prompted to enter your lock screen password. So once it's done, open System and Developer Options. Here, scroll down till you see here HD audio. I don't know why it's disabled for me here. It should be available for you on your phone. You need to tap this option to enable this option, of course. And that's it. Goodbye.